Oh God, it's really wet and cold. I need something hot to drink. Molly!
Hey everyone, it's Molly. Today we're going to make mulled cider, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm only making half the recipe because it's just me and Dan and we don't need that much, but I'll make sure to put the full recipe down below in the description box for you guys, so you'll have that. So I'm just pouring my apple cider into this pot. I'm going to add my brown sugar. And I've got this over low heat, so we want to bring this to a boil and then simmer it for 5 minutes. And I'm adding my allspice. Only 3, so we'll see how mulled this gets. My cinnamon sticks. And my cloves. So again, bring this to a boil and then simmer for 5 minutes. And then we'll taste this. It's served hot. Okay, this is what it looks like. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. Now obviously you're going to want to take out your spices and then let this cool a little bit before you drink it, but it is supposed to be served warm. So I'm just going to go ahead and ladle up some of this so that we can taste it. And it smells really good. It probably just gets better the longer you simmer it for, because you get more of those spice flavors, but it said 5 minutes, so we'll see how this tastes. All right, I'll see you guys in a minute.
Oh, you already poured it.
Yeah, it smells delicious. All right.
Hey, Molly.
Hey.
So it was pretty cold out.
Yeah, I saw you
Cold
outside.
Yeah, it was soaking wet. It was not fun.
So, well, thank you for bringing them the wood.
Fall's definitely here.
Fall is definitely here. And you wanted something warm to drink, so how about
Is it too hot to drink?
I don't know.
It's pretty steamy.
It is pretty steamy.
Just like you.
Oh. All right, let's just taste this. Oh, wow.
Dang, that's delicious.
That's really good.
It's really hot.
So obviously it tastes, God, those cats are loud. So it tastes like sweet apple cider with a little bit of the cinnamon and allspice and clove. You can taste those. Now I think I would probably just simmer this a little bit longer to really get those spices. Okay, I think I would simmer this for a little bit longer, maybe 10 minutes, maybe 15 minutes, so I can really get the flavor of those spices in here, because I can just barely taste them. I mean, I taste them, but I like a lot of spice. So, and it makes your house smell good. As long as you don't boil the pot dry, don't do that. But I mean, this is a perfect fall. Is this what you had in mind?
Yeah, it's good. Awesome.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
I didn't make the full recipe because it's just 2 of us, and I didn't need 12 servings.
We'll have to save this for when it snows.
Yeah, this would be good for when it snows. So this is like a perfect fall drink when you're out at the pumpkin patch. Bring some mulled cider with you.
Put whiskey in it.
Well, Dan, happy autumn. Well, cheers, Dan. All right, if you like this recipe and you want to see more vintage recipes like this mulled cider, you know what? I didn't say where it came from. This recipe comes from the Woman's Home Companion Cookbook. This is from 1944. So this is a World War II era mulled cider recipe. I was afraid it'd be too sweet, but it isn't, and it's nice and delicious, and I forgot the salt. Oh well.
Doesn't need it.
Alright, if you like this recipe and you want to see more vintage recipes like this mulled cider, then please subscribe and hit the like button. I upload new content every Friday, and Dan and I are always here taste testing vintage recipes.
Goodbye, everybody.
Bye.